Okay guys, we're going to do a 2.5 by 8 today. So let's get this puppy, let's get it on here and get her leveled out. It looks pretty round, you know, it's got some uneven spots on it, but let's get this thing ready to go. We'll get back with you shortly. This backside. We'll get this backside leveled up and then we'll get it rounded off. That squared off. Prepare to get the lathe in there or the other tool. Let's get her bowled off here. Slow her down a little bit. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put that little lip in this sucker. I think it looks really good. I might take that lip a little bit deeper. Make that more of a curve. So let's keep moving on that. Alright guys, this is what we ended up with. A little bit of a different design, nothing big and crazy. Haven't done one like this, so we're going to try it. Let's get it on the chuck here. I hear my goats out there trying to get into the front door here. We need to get that little bit of a bounce out of it. So let me get this turned around and we'll get that bounce out of it. speed this thing up a little bit. Channel, and he is a pro at this, like literally a pro. He sent me a video of like a safer way of using these carbides, and man, he didn't go light on them. And what I've noticed is you get less chatter, and it doesn't never bite the inside and take big chunks out. If you just kind of go hard, not too hard, but you can feel a difference in the way I was using it and the way he showed me. So we need to go a little bit further on the bottom. That's probably good. That's for sure good. And then we'll sand this puppy down. Finished product. Looks a little darker and up close than it does on camera, I think. I did cutting board oil, and I think it looks beautiful. Pretty thin on the bottom, but we didn't go through. Beautiful, huh? Another one down, guys. I got some boards, different types of boards, different colors glued together that's been sitting for a few days. We're going to try to carve a bowl out of them so that it's multi-stacked, multi-colors. We'll probably start working on that next, but I ask you to like, subscribe to the videos, comment, and just like the other viewer did, if I'm doing something wrong or if I can do something better, let me know. I'll try it. And I give thanks to the guy who posted a better way to use these carbides, because it's a lot better and I feel it's a lot safer. So thanks again. See you next time.